The Petal credit card charges no security deposit, no annual fee on its base version, and looks at your banking history instead of only your credit score. That changes who can actually qualify, and by the end of this, you'll know if Petal still makes sense in 2026, or if there are better options. Here's the quick answer first. Petal is still one of the better starter cards if you have limited credit and decent cash flow. But it's not automatically the best card anymore. The biggest reason people look at Petal is approval. Traditional starter cards usually focus on your credit file. Petal uses its cash score system, which reviews your income, spending, and savings habits. That means if you're new to credit but manage your money well, you may have a better shot. That's useful for students, freelancers, or anyone rebuilding. Now let's talk about the actual cards. Petal has two versions, Petal 1 and Petal 2. Petal 1 is the entry-level option. It has no annual fee, and is designed for people with thinner credit files. Petal 2 is stronger because it adds cashback rewards and credit limit increases over time. That makes Petal 2 the better long-term card if you qualify. The biggest advantage with Petal is that it's unsecured. Compare that to a secured card like Discover It Secured, where you might need to lock up $200 or more just to open the account. With Petal, you skip that deposit. That keeps your cash free. But there are downsides. Petal doesn't always offer the highest starting limits. If you get approved for a lower limit, your utilization can spike fast if you spend heavily. Petal also works best if your bank account shows stable income. Irregular deposits can make approval harder. And if your goal is rewards, there are stronger cards once your score improves. So is it worth it? Yes, if you're building credit and want to avoid a deposit. No, if you already qualify for better unsecured cards with stronger rewards or intro offers. The smart move is simple. If you have no credit and steady income, Petal is still a strong first card. If your credit is improving and you can qualify elsewhere, compare it against cards like Capital One Platinum or Discover. Quick recap. Petal is flexible on approval, cheaper than many secured cards up front, and best for beginners with cash flow but limited history. Check your bank activity before applying, because that matters here more than with most cards. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more no-fluff credit card reviews.